With the ticker gadget, you can add a text that moves from one direction to another. Let's see what it does. To use it, drag and drop to the presentation, and you can add a text from the property section. Find the plus button, and you can choose a title for the text. So let's say this is a test text. And in the text box, you can add NoviSign because this is, say, what you want to make it appear on the slideshow. Right now, the text is static. So let's add a movement to this text. To do so, go to the property section and you can choose the direction. Let's say you want the text to move leftward, and choose the and click the play button so that you can see a text that move from right to left. Likewise, you can change the direction from which the text appears. Also, you can change the speed. You can make it faster, let's say 20, so it moves faster. And this is how you can use a ticker gadget.